Mitro, an app which came as an alternate for TikTok, and Chinese Remover app, which removes Chinese games and softwares from your Android phone. These both have been removed from Google Play Store. Hello friends, my name is Sumit Sharma and I welcome you all to our channel Buddha's Learning. Today we are going to talk about an app which was released on April 11th, and in less than 2 months, more than 5 million downloads were done. And then a news comes that Google has removed Mitro app. Yes friends, we are talking about Mitro app. For the removal of this app, Google has responded that we have removed it because of number of technical policy violations. We have given those instructions to the developer, and after fixing them, they can resubmit this app. With this, a very interesting thing came that this app has connections with Pakistan. Its owner Shibank Agarwal, who is a student of IIT Roorkee, he purchased the source code from Pakistan's coding company Cuboxes. Irfan Sheikh from Cuboxes Lahore, he confirmed that Shibank bought the source code of TickTick in 2500 rupees and launched it as Mitro app in India. This app has more than 5 million downloads, but that is quite surprising that this app doesn't have any privacy policy. So actually India found an alternate of TikTok, a Chinese app, and purchased the source code from Pakistan. It's very much like between the devil and the deep blue sea. Which one you will choose? And in this week, Google has removed another made in India app, that was Chinese App Remover. And the function of this app was quite clear, that it removed Chinese apps, gamings and softwares from your Android phone. Now in this corona time, when there is a tension on Indo-China border, One Touch App Lab from Jaipur, they developed an app. This app removed all the Chinese apps from your smartphone, and there were millions of downloads. But citing the violation in the policies, Google removed this app from their Play Store. But my question is, do we really need these apps? If you are a die-hard Indian, then start using Indian products. Remove as much as Chinese items from your life as you can. No one is stopping you. Why don't you start using diyas at the time of Diwali instead of the Chinese ladis? Modi ji requesting again and again, Atmanirbhar bane aur Swadeshi apnaye, and help India in strengthening their economy. And this feeling should be inherent. You should not depend on any app that it will tell you that don't use UC browser or U dictionary app or TikTok or PUBG, because these are Chinese items, and start removing them. Knowingly or unknowingly, we are surrounded by these Chinese apps. For content sharing, we are using Hello and Share It. For entertainment and short videos, we are using TikTok and Kawaii. For web browsing, we are using UC browser. For live streaming, we are using LiveMe, Bigo Live and Vigo Video, etc. And to enhance the quality of our pics, we are using Cam Scanner, Beauty Plus and Xender. For gaming, we are using PUBG, Clash of the Kings and Mobile Legends. And for e-commerce, we are using Club Factory. So these all are Chinese apps. And now my question is, can we depart these Chinese items from our daily life? If Chinese phones are available at way cheaper price, can we boycott them on nation's dignity, integrity and respect? With these questions, I am ending today's video. I hope you like it, and if yes, then please share it with your friends and family. And please subscribe this channel, press the bell icon so that you will get the latest updates on digital marketing and technology. We will come with another interesting video. Till then, bye bye, take care and enjoy learning digital marketing through our videos. Thank you.